Happy November of 2021. It's a few days before Thanksgiving, and boy, there are a lot of things that I'm thankful for this year that I couldn't foresee last year. If you've been following the foolish health stuff I've been going through, I'm thankful to be alive. I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful to my friends, my vast social media blood brothers and sisters in arms. I'm thankful for a lot. But one thing that I'm absolutely not thankful for is the high price of ammunition. And if you're a shooter, a recreational shooter, a competitive shooter, if you shoot at all, if you even follow firearms, don't shoot yet but wish you did, you know how expensive ammunition is. But you'll have noticed a couple months ago, as I was starting this journey back to normalcy again, we introduced the Mantis Laser Training Academy. And that allows us to get some meaningful trigger time in running actual drills with the firearms that we use. Not a facsimile of it, but the actual firearms we use. For example, here is my new SIG P365. I have the Mantis insert in it. Trigger alert, there's no one behind the camera. There's only a laser insert in this. It's on a tripod, but this has the laser insert installed. So I can fire utilizing the laser. The computer will pick it up, it'll score it in the app, and I'll know where I hit. That's what it looks like, that's what it sounds like, and it doesn't cost anything once you have everything installed. Here are a few seconds of that original video that we shot when we were demonstrating how the app works, how the Laser Academy system works, along with that SIRT pistol. And I'll also add a link to the full-length video if you want to get a little bit more specific as to how the system actually functions. Now, seeing what's available through this system, imagine if we could utilize our own black rifle, our AR platform pistol or rifle or short barrel rifle system in the same way to get meaningful training in and not have to reset the trigger every time. Now we don't have to imagine, because Mantis Laser Academy has a new product called the Blackbeard system. And this is utilized not in a reasonable facsimile of your black rifle system, your AR platform, but your AR platform. All you do is replace the bolt carrier, charging handle, and magazine, and you can train with your firearm. You also don't have to reset the trigger. The piece that replaces the 20-round magazine, that's about the same size, is actually a battery pack that resets the trigger over 10,000 times between needing charging. It's really this simple. All we have to do is take out the bolt carrier and the charging handle. Insert the Blackbeard. Insert the new magazine replacement. Again, this is the battery pack. And that's it. Check this out. No manual resetting. How cool is that? Let's get downstairs in my garage area where we have a little bit more distance, which would be more beneficial for a platform like this over a carry gun, and let's see how it works there. So training with the carry piece is a lot of fun. Upstairs in the office I can get, I don't know, 5 yards, 3 to 5 yards of regular training, and that works pretty good because that's the type of drills that I'm running anyway sometimes. But for the AR pistol, I want a little bit more distance. Down here we've got about 36 feet, and this gives us some really neat new opportunities. So you can run failure drills, you can run regular target practice, You can just put a bunch of rounds down range and see where you're hitting. It's really quite unlimited as to what you can do. You can run any course that you can set up in your mind that you have room for inside. The weather doesn't matter, the price of ammo doesn't matter, and that's pretty cool too. How cool is that? This thing is so much fun. And you're not limited to just one target. You've got all of those targets that we demonstrated in the last video that you can utilize with the Blackbeard as well. And maybe you want to ramp up the level of the training a little bit. There are all kinds of different targets that we can work with. I like that better. And maybe other times it's not quite as serious a training. You might just want to play, say, a leisurely game of darts with a friend. And don't forget, when you set up on your longer range, you're not limited to your carbine. Even though I found that's what I want to use most of the time I'm in here. Go back to the cert system, same difference with the dartboard. And boy, my flaws become more noticeable with this thing anytime I increase the distance. So how cool is that, huh? And because the system actually reads the laser and the placement of the laser, you can do firearms transition drills. You can shoot with your carry gun, and then you can drop. You can go into your carbine, drop that, transition back to your carry gun. It only counts hits, so it allows you to be as creative as you want with how you put those hits down range. It's nice being as versatile as this is as well, where you can actually get some meaningful time in, do some scoring, run some drills with your carry gun. Now you can add your AR platform firearm to that as well. Not having to reset the trigger is a fantastic bonus. And man, it's just a great way to stay in practice, regardless of not being able to schedule range time, or not being able to afford ammunition or find ammunition in some cases. All of those excuses go out the window, and I won't have any excuse at all anymore for being as bad and out of practice as I am. So I hope you enjoyed this little video introduction of the Mantis Laser Academy Blackbeard. I'm quite sure you're going to enjoy it as much as I have, maybe even more. It's a really neat piece. It's far surpassed the toy category and is definitely into the tool area. If you did like this video, please click like, share us with your friends in your vast social media universe. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel as well. If not, please do so, but if you think you are, check it anyway, because a lot of people are not seeing the videos we're uploading anymore. Don't forget to check out our new merch, the AR-15 Back in Black and the Bigshooterist logo gear from Bunker Branding. All the info is below the video. Also, you can still get personalized copies of my book, The Evolution of the Black Rifle. They're going to be on sale as we move into Black Friday before Cyber Monday, and they're always available anyway. They're just being reduced in price a little bit for the Black Friday sale. Keep your eyes on the channel for some other cool things that are coming forward, including the second part to that Pine World pistol safe video. I would be doing that today instead, but I had to order a flamethrower. That's right, I listened to your suggestions. We have a flamethrower coming so we can finish up the outside the box durability test for that, and we'll be moving forward, as well as some cool live fire stuff now that I've been cleared to shoot again, at least slowly getting back into it. Anyway, hope to see you soon. Hope you have a fantastic Thanksgiving with your friends and your family, and until next time, have fun and be safe.